Villagers struggle to commute due to pathetic road conditions between Chokhihola and Arlongbuti, Borpung. Deephu Government College celebrates its annual Freshers Social Meet on 31st August. Usuka visited 4 schools for inspection under the aegis of Education Awareness Campaign Mission 2025.
Grab the biggest opportunity. The Golden Wings presents 2nd Karbi Anglong Fashion Week 2022. Both for male, female, Mrs., teen and kids. Promoting our local behavior and tourism. Required height, male 5.5 and female 5.3 professional. Dress code for preliminary auditions. Denim blue jeans and white t-shirt. Pencil heels compulsory for female preliminary audition scope. Deephu, Denarong, Wolongkomaji, Japrajan, Hanjang Langso, Hamren, Dongka, Kaziranga, Umrangso, Haflong, Chokhihola and Hawarkehat. For further details, please contact 60032 93958.
Hello and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live English Prime Time with Julie Baby. Now the news in details. Due to pathetic road condition, peoples are struggling to pass through Chokhihola and Borpung, Arlongbuti areas under Nilip constituency. Now, August had also completed its month, yet there is no any heed from the authority for the construction of the road. The villagers felt a grief as they had to pass through this pathetic road between Chokhihola and Arlongbuti, Borpung under Nilip constituency. Commuting on roads daily is also as important as eating food for survival daily. But till date, not even a single government officials, concerned authority or any politicians had showed up. So who is going to construct the good roads for the villagers inhabiting at valleys and hilly areas? Question the villagers. The villagers now bestowed their fate to the ruling government for reconstructing the roads. Hence, the villagers appeals Pabitra Rongpi, local MEC, and Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, to reconstruct the road as early as possible. Sanjay Crow's report from Chokhihola for Karbi Anglong Live. On 31st August, Deephu Government College celebrated its annual Social Freshers Meet at DGC Auditorium Hall. Deephu Government College is one of the most prestigious and the oldest degree college in Karbi Anglong district. Every year, more than 1,500 students enroll their names for further studies. So, to welcome the newly admitted students to the college, Deephu Government College Students Union Society (DGC) SUS initiated the annual Social Freshers Meet at Deephu Government College Auditorium Hall on 31st August. Richard Togby, Executive Member of Education, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, attended as the chief guest of first session of the event. Dr. Aturkiri Ingti, Professor, Department of Geography, AUDC, Johnny Timung, MEC, Henpiga Rengma, MEC, attended as invited guests of first session of the event. Richard Togby, while speaking to us, informed that he was delighted to see the participants of faculties, lecturers, professors, HODs, principal, along with all the non-teaching staff in this program. He also stated that the educational environment is restoring gradually at Deephu Government College, and this is a sign of progress in bringing quality education across the district.
Education environment ke back in Deephu Government College la hello ininga rongnai bangke nona bangke. Manok professors, principal, students atum aprang lason freshers along upon munit awi busina than teachers atum participate awi professors atum participate awi kisa pini theglong long dung munit sina che tong dun student atum ninga rong pik kasi la hello ning thelo la Deephu Government College lo non education environment non education quality along nitum camp bon bom along la so bang reformation upon ke camp bon bom along la tai si ning ke the dupon lu busina.
Tirim Ingti, General Secretary of DGC SUS, while speaking to us, informed that in recent years, whenever new admissions takes place, various issues related to admissions turns up. But after Richard Togby taking charge as the EM in charge for Education Department at Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, no such issues had surfaced. Richard Dogby, EM of Education, gave his assurance for whitewashing the college buildings and renovation of auditorium hall.
Pining bang mane first time lo ningkan kedam tang ningkan thompli ke admission ang denglo bote la TDC HS hod bang la TDC first year admission bote ningkan bang ta dharna do naing protest do naing se tame pining bang alangli mane isi mission initiative and pen alangli ke chengsi aprang la student organization tumpen hedi chingwai chingsai pen amase pining bang ke principal madam ta nang mane mission amase pining bang ke samjin pen se successfully smoothly and successfully si admission ang deng ta chunpon lo.
News Desk report for Karbi Anglong Live. United Student Union of Karbi Anglong visited 4 schools, namely Senapati Tularam Hasumsa ME School, Gojalipar LP School, Hauraghat Town Girls LP and Hauraghat Higher Secondary School for inspection and surveillance purpose under the Aegis of Education Awareness Campaign Mission 2025 launched by Education Department of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. On 30th August, United Student Union of Karbi Anglong paid a visit to different government LP schools starting from Senapati Tularam Hasumsa ME School to Hauraghat Higher Secondary School. Headmaster of Senapati Tularam Hasumsa ME School, while speaking to us, informed about the declining number of students enrollment in the school. According to him, the main reason behind this inclination of enrollment is due to the non-availability of bridge to cross the river.
আপোনালোকৰ ল'ৰা ছোৱালী কিমান আছে?
ল'ৰা ছোৱালীতে এনৰোলমেণ্ট কম আৰু তেতিয়া দলংখনো ভাগিলে এতিয়া 1 মানে কেহে আছে 3টা শ্ৰেণীত 3জন
আৰু টিচাৰ কিমান আছে স্যাৰ?
টিচাৰ এতিয়া আমাৰ ৰেগুলাৰ 5জন আছো, কন্টেক্সুৱেল 2জন আছে।
Bibison Teron, president of USUK, while speaking to us, informed about the declining number of students enrolling their names at a school and also reported that most of the developmental grants and special grant released from the government is dissolved with no any sign of development. He also informed that at Hauraghat Higher Secondary School, the guardians and parents complains that most of the teachers do not perform their duties and spend most of their time loitering around the market.
Hauraghat Angtangalong, Puk Gojalipar LP School, Senapati Tularam Hasumsa ME School, Hauraghat High Secondary, Lapen, Hauraghat Towns Girls High School, Long Nilitu Humridam Lo, La Holong, Pli Humridam, Derepen Angbong Bangke, Longni School, Senapati Tularam Hasumsa ME School, Long Bangkala Da Bangke, Kacharli Osoma Ravipin, Lapen lanjut kali hada kacing turamen pen penana kali labang so atangkat do hala so atangkat ame itu kapan hok mada hala da bang corruption la so bang litum tekon long la sila bang so school long pa bang labang so itu anomalies labang so corruption do pa bang kala prajin pen Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council pen hala bang so katar lip padu ponai.
Hence, USUK appeals the intervention from the concerned authority at Senapati Tularam Hasumsa ME School and Hauraghat Higher Secondary School at the earliest. Harsing Rongpes report from Hauraghat, Karbi Anglong Live. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a great day.